How to create a Nintendo account step by step. To create your Nintendo account, first of all, you have to simply launch your device's web browser, then head to the official website of Nintendo. Once you're here, you simply have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner or a human-like silhouette. From here, you should be able to find the sign up option right below the login. Once you tap on this, all you have to do is now go ahead and select your date of birth over here. Once you select it, all you have to do is now tap submit, and once you're here within this panel, you simply have to proceed to link your email, and from here type in your passwords and confirm it. Once you go through all of these processes, go ahead and read the user agreement as well as the privacy policy, and then tap submit. Once you submit it, you simply have to now wait for the confirmation email that is sent to your email account or the linked email account. And once you verify your account, you should be able to use it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.